Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about an excellent camouflaging bird, the Richard's pipit. The Richard's pipit is a medium-sized passerine bird. The English name and richardi are for the French naturalist Charles Richard. Separation from other large pipits can be difficult. Pay attention to call and wing pattern. Breeds in open grasslands in the East Palearctic. It is a long-distance migrant moving to the open lowlands in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It is a rare but regularly vagrant to Western Europe. Large, robust, almost thrush-like pipit given the big bill, long and pale eyebrow and long tail. Found in open grasslands, stubble fields, farmland, dunes and salt marshes. Their calls are like locally named Richard Waratichcha. I have not seen a Richard's pipit. One such place you can see them is Walawe National Park. These are some of the pictures of our many trips to Walawe National Park. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the Indian blackbird.